I'm an HGTV junkie, like probably almost everybody in the group. And I've been watching for 10 years at least, if not 20. And so all of a sudden I have all this time, and I would sit there like, while my whole family's working, right? My husband's upstairs working, the kids are doing school, and I'm just sitting downstairs in my room watching HGTV and like literally crying at the end of the show, like literally going, oh my God, that's so amazing. I want to do that so bad. And then one day I'm like, what the hell are you doing? Like, you literally live in a 1970s house that needs to be completely fixed up, and you're crying over shows.
Right.
Like, get up. And I didn't know how to start. And so I just started weeding, and then I painted the outside of the house, and then I demoed part of the kitchen, and then I found money to remodel a bathroom. And somewhere around there, when I was feeling just massive irritation, like, I need to make money doing this because I'm spending money. I'm really good at spending the money, right? I'm like, how can I make money? And then I found your class, and I thought, and I found it on Facebook, and I wanted to just say go right off the bat, but I was like, no, don't, you have to think about it. I thought about it for half an hour, and I was like, I need to do this. Like, I can't make any more excuses. I'm on it.
I love it. And you jumped in.
And I jumped in, and it was overwhelming, all the information, and just incredible.